At UNStudio we design with the future in mind. The buildings we design will only be completed 3 to 4 to 5, sometimes up to 20 years before it is finished. So that's why we have to always think about how are these buildings going to operate in the future. We know that the world is getting hotter and more urban. What do we do with this topic and what is it what we do in the urban environment and the built environment in order to reduce that heat load? So we need to come up with design solutions that can accommodate this overheated urban environment. We are dealing with more powerful rain and heat load, dust, many topics we could have not foreseen, let's say 40, 50 years ago. Generates a lot of stress on the facade and can of course lead to damage. Designing with the future in mind also means that buildings last longer in the face of environmental change, that they are more resilient to change and that they endure environmental strains. Then we have to invent new ideas and new ways of designing also materials in a way, or paint in this case. Yeah, this product is at least 2.5 times stronger than a standard polyester coating. It is therefore the perfect protection for a metallic facade. It can last for at least 40 years. So the most interesting of the Coolest White is that it can achieve two goals. It can reduce, on one hand, the urban heat load, but on the other hand, it makes the building more resilient. So ultimately, we with that make a more sustainable world.